Assalamu alaikum, sir. My name is Aisha Mubin, and my project supervisor is Dr. Mujibur Rahman. And the topic that I have presented a project on is an application of fractional calculus and buffering theory of social support and psychological stress. So basically, what this project does is it generalizes the fractional order stress buffering hypothesis that is given in the Caputo derivative with the Hadamard fractional operator, whose logarithmic kernel is better suited for scale invariant properties, better than the Caputo derivative. So basically, the original model that was given is this one, and where x of t is the perceived psychological stress, y of t is the symptoms of stress related ill health, and z of t is the received social support. We have the hypothesis that social support reduces stress, and after we can solve this using the Newton-Raphson's or Euler's method. That's why we use the numerical method ABM integrator, which relies on the analytical property of the initial value problem. Uh, Initial value problem, this one, that is equal to the Volterra integral, and after that we obtain the discretized form in the form of this system, where x of p, y of p, and z of p is given by this. And after solving this system, we get the equilibrium points. The only equilibrium point that is applicable for us is the first equilibrium point, because it uh, it provides a meaning in the real world. It provides a physical meaning in the real world, whereas the second and third don't provide any. They are unstable and don't provide any physical interpretation in the real world. So now we will use the Hadamard fractional model, and we replace the Caputo derivative with the Hadamard derivative, and we get this equation. And after that, what we're going to do is we are going to replace this kernel ln of t by tau by s, and after using a transformation property, we get this model. And the purpose of using the transformation property is that we can it's easier for us to solve in Caputo derivative, because the Hadamard derivative has this kernel, which is it's difficult to solve it. So we will use the after transformation, we get the whole model, and again in Caputo. After we are going to use the same procedure. We are going to apply the ABM integrator, and we are going to again obtain a discretized form using the Volterra integral. And after that, we're going to map back using Tn is equal to tau e to the power Sn.
Explain bifurcation diagrams as well.
Yes, sir. So the first four bifurcation diagrams are given for the different values of B. Here B is given. B is basically an external stressor, which means how much stress adds to more stress. कि आपको अगर स्ट्रेस हो रहा है तो उसमें जो स्ट्रेस और ऐड हो रहा है उसी स्ट्रेस की वजह से, दैट्स द एक्सटर्नल प्रोसेसर.
But what is the
जी
bifurcation diagram में stress को कैसे आप connect कर रहे हैं? What does this bifurcation diagram show?
It gives us for different values of Q. It,
What is Q?
Q is the memory kernel. And after that, we have a theoretical comparison of models. As we can see, the Caputo has the power law, and the fractional Hadamard derivative has the logarithmic law. Their mathematical property is that Caputo is translation invariant, whereas the Hadamard model is scale invariant, and it's better suited. The Caputo model is better suited for stress prediction for short-term and recent events. It cannot predict stress, long-term stress. So if you want to predict stress for like days or years even, we have to we use Hadamard model. It captures the childhood trauma or PTSD events. And then, sir, we have the different conclusion is, sir, that the Caputo derivative gives us a stress prediction better modeled than the integer ordered equation, because of its because of its order of derivative, and but it's only suitable, it's only correct, it can only be can only be applied for short term stress. You can only predict short term stress accurately. And HEDMARD model we have used, HEDMARD model has the memory kernel that can predict stress after keeping in mind the PTSD or how the memory contributes to stress. So it can it's better suitable for predicting long term stress. It's better suitable for stress prediction for long periods of time.